Hello, my little friends. I'm Bunny Boo. Today, let's draw something super fun. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, what is this? A big round circle. Is it a ball? Or maybe a cookie? Wow, another one? Is it a snowman? Or maybe the moon? It's getting so interesting. Are those ears? Or maybe buttons? And look, two little eyes. Someone is watching us. A tiny nose and a big happy smile. I think I know what it is. Do you know too? Yes, you got it. It's a cute little bear. Let's add some colors now. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Huh? What's happening? Look, it's moving. Oh my goodness. It's alive. Hello, little bear. Welcome. That was so fun. Thank you for drawing with me, my little friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.